Hello everybody, welcome to IxamBee. Embrace the IxamBee learning experience. In this video, we are going to discuss upcoming legal opportunities, especially in the regulatory bodies. We'll see the eligibility and the exam pattern of the recruitments which regulatory bodies conduct, especially for the legal discipline. I have already told you in my earlier videos or in my workshops about the upcoming opportunities: NICL-AO, NICL-AO, OICL-AO, LIC-AO, PFRDA Grade A Legal, NPS Grade A, Grade B is already announced, but there was no legal post. RBI Legal, NABARD Legal. These are few of the notifications which we may expect in the next 3 to 4 months. Now here we will be talking about especially the regulatory bodies and the various kind of exams, their eligibility and their exam pattern. All the law officer exams that IxamBee helps in the preparation of can be classified in 4 categories. One is regulatory bodies, which we are going to discuss in today's video. Second is insurance and banking sector. This we'll be discussing in the next video. Then PSU and APP, EPs, these we'll be discussing in our third video. So we'll be having an idea of what all exams you can expect and what are the exam patterns. So starting with the regulatory bodies, these are the 6 regulatory bodies that I have written over here, which generally conducts. There are all India financial institutions as well, like NPS, Grade A, Grade B, SEBI, IxamBee, and many more, but we'll be talking about these 6 in this video. In the eligibility, you can see there is law degree mandatory for all these recruitments. In few of these exams, final year graduates can apply. The eligibility always require law degree with sometimes minimum percentage mentioned or not mentioned. There is age limit mentioned 21 to 30, maximum should be up to 30. For RBI Grade B Legal, since it's Grade B post, mandatory experience is there. 2 years mandatory experience is there, and age can be between 21 to 32 years. Let's talk about these exams one by one. So starting with SEBI Legal, you may already know the pattern of SEBI Legal. In phase 1, there are 2 papers. Paper 1 is your quant reasoning English GA. Paper 2 is your law. The cutoff criteria is merit criteria. You need to score 40% out of 200 marks, that is 80 marks, and you will reach to the second phase. Then in phase 2, you have paper 1, which is descriptive English, and paper 2, which has descriptive legal and objective legal. You can pause the screen and check out the details. About SEBI Legal, I have already discussed in separate videos. Then coming to the next exam, which is IFSCA Legal, it has exactly the same pattern as SEBI Legal, just there is a slight variation in the syllabus. Paper 1 again has 4 subjects, number of questions are 100. 30% is the cutoff for paper 1. Paper 2 has legal multiple choice questions, 40% is the cutoff. Overall cutoff for phase 1 is merit cutoff, 40% out of 200. Then in phase 2, there is paper 1, which is descriptive English, and paper 2 is again MCQ type, in which 50 questions will be there. Here the cutoff goes high. After phase 2, you have interview. Then the next exam is PFRDA Legal. In PFRDA Legal also, paper 1 is QRA-GA, same as SEBI Legal and IFSCA Legal. And in paper 2, you have 50 questions of 100 marks. Here also you will have merit criteria. Then in phase 2, you again have descriptive English, and MCQ's second paper is MCQ based, just as in IFSCA Legal. The next exam is your NABARD Legal. The selection procedure for this exam is slightly different. In phase 1, you have 8 subjects, out of which 5 subjects are qualifying section and 3 subjects are merit section. The cutoff is decided based on these 3 subjects, based on general awareness, economic social issues, and agriculture and rural development. Then after this, there is phase 2. In phase 2, you have paper 1, which is descriptive English, and paper 2 is stream specific paper, which has objective and descriptive portion. There are 30 questions of objective of 50 marks, and 6 questions will be asked, which is descriptive, out of which 4 has to be attempted, 2 of 10 marks and 2 of 15 marks. Then the next exam is RBI Legal. In RBI Legal, you have only 1 phase, and then there is interview. So paper 1 over here is objective general knowledge of law. There are 15 objective questions of 30 marks, and there is no negative marking in this. In all the other exams that we have discussed, there is negative marking. Paper 2 is descriptive part B, which is in pen paper mode. There are 4 subsections, it is of 120 marks. And then over here, paper 2 is your descriptive English. Then coming to the next regulatory body, IRDAI Legal. This exam is very different. The legal part is not present in this exam as of last notification. In phase 1, you have QRE GA, Quant Reasoning English GA, 40 questions in each of 40 marks, 160 maximum marks. The cutoff goes high. It's not merit cutoff. And then there is phase 2, in which paper 1 is descriptive English, paper 2 is economic social issues, and paper 3 is insurance and management. This paper coincides with assistant manager general stream as well. So for IRDAI legal, you will have to prepare a little bit separately. For other exams, you can prepare commonly if you are eligible, because many of the subjects are common. You can check out the syllabus. If you don't know the syllabus, then I can make another video discussing the syllabus of all these exams. Just let me know in the comment below. Now, if you need any kind of study material to prepare for this exam, for all of these exams, you can check out our NABARD legal online course. This course is a one-stop solution which can help you in the preparation of all the law officer exams, whether in regulatory body, banking, insurance sector, PSUs. Every exam that I was discussing about can be prepared using this NABARD legal online course. To know more about the course offerings, you can download the brochure that is attached in the description. You can also check out the demo of this course. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with IxamBee and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.